This video is how to scan on the APX 8000XE. This is the portable radio for Marina Fire. Scanning on this radio is a great feature that it has. We can actually scan any channel or any frequency within the entire radio. To turn on and off scan is a toggle switch on the top. This here, when switched to the circle with the line through it, scanning is off. Switching to the circle with no line through it, scanning is on. As you can hear, there's a tone that's emitted when I turn that on, and what that's telling me is that my scanning list is empty. Looking at the front panel, you can see that actually saying empty list. To fix that, we can simply just add channels to our scan list. To do so, hit the button that correlates to the ribbon menu, SC and L. That puts us in the add channel mode. In this mode, we can then select whatever channel we want from the entire list. As you may or may not know, this particular radio has 45 different zones or banks in it. So we can either go through the entire list by using our D-pad in the down direction, or we can jump from zone to zone by using the left or right. Left or right moves us down, actually wraps us back around to group or zone 45. To the right navigates us back to our home, wildland, tac bank, group 4 or zone 4, which are digital command. And here we do have, actually what it shows is group 3, group 4, group 5, and so forth. So you can actually skip between groups or zones by using the left and right directional buttons on your D-pad. For adding and removing these channels, we simply just hit the select key. That then adds it. If you notice up on your screen there's a little Z. That icon indicates that that channel is being scanned. To delete it or remove it from your scan zone, you hit the delete key, and again, as you notice, that icon just disappears. We want to go ahead and add it, and add a couple more to our list. Once we're done, we can hit the home button. Brings us back to our home, and in this case you can see that Z is there. It's telling us that the scanning feature is on. If we look at our switch, we can see that as well. Let me turn the radio around here. You can see that it is on. We can turn that off, and again, if you notice, that icon is gone. Scanning on, scanning off. Now let's say you pick up a radio that you want to clear that scanning list. That is also pretty straightforward to do. We select the scan list feature from our ribbon menu by hitting the button there. For every channel that's scanned, it's going to have that little icon. Now you may not know which ones they are. Simple way to find that out is to hit the recall button. Shows you that that particular channel is scanning. Delete it from the menu, hit recall, delete, again, recall, delete. Remember, we only added 3. We hit recall again, you get a rejection tone. That tells us there are no longer any more channels scanning in this particular radio. If we turn scanning on, go back to our home, we have our empty list. And that is managing your scan list.